Hey guys, I want to touch base on another awesome product I've got here. These are steering rack mount bushers. Now these have been designed with CERA and SuperPro directly. They've been made out of a lot sort of firmer material than most other urethane bushers that are on the market, okay? There's so many cars out there with steering racks that are actually moving on the firewall, okay? The old rubber bushers are that worn in them that you'll set your car up, you'll do a nice wheel alignment, you get out on the track, you go around the corner, come back, and your steering wheel's gonna be crooked, okay? That's the number one issue we see. They're nice and snug, nice and tight. As I said, they're made of a high quality thickness grade of polyurethane. You can see how snugly they fit, which is pretty awesome. I have not yet seen one, but I have been told that there are some solid mount bushers made out of aluminium or something similar out there at the moment. CERA have notified that if they see a car with those, it is in breach. So please make sure if you haven't got upgraded bushers or if you have got illegal bushers in there, you upgrade them, especially before nationals, okay? If you have a look on our website, you'll see that we've got these ones, the SuperPro ones. The part number is XL90. As I said, they're designed specifically with CERA and SuperPro. I do also have another set of bushers on there. These are a different brand. These are just a standard urethane bush, so not as heavy duty as these ones. But you've got a couple of options. Both obviously do the same job. One is just a better quality than the other. So yeah, if you're not sure about anything to do with steering racks, again, you know where to find me. But otherwise, have a look on the website and you're about to purchase them on there.